All right, let's get you up to speed now on the Fed. The Beige Book released just an hour ago. Yahoo Finance's Jen Schonberger here with the details. Jen, what are we learning?
Good afternoon, Dave. Inflation showing signs of slowing down, according to the Federal Reserve's Beige Book, though prices still increased at a, quote, moderate pace over the period of December and early January. Anecdotal evidence across the Federal Reserve's 12 bank districts showed that retailers had a harder time passing on cost increases to consumers who've become more sensitive to prices. That left some retailers to resort to discounts to move merchandise. Meanwhile, manufacturers in many districts reported continued easing in freight costs and prices for commodities, including steel and lumber, though some said that input costs did remain elevated. Looking ahead, contacts expect prices to slow further. Now, when it comes to the job market, the Beige Book showed companies are continuing to have a hard time filling open positions, even with an increase of available workers. And interestingly, many firms hesitated to lay off employees, even though they saw a slowdown in demand for their goods and services, though they said they would plan to reduce headcount if it was needed at some point in the future. Overall, economic activity mostly unchanged, with the exception of the New York region, which saw economic growth contract, led by a plunge in the manufacturing sector there. Now, officials will use this information at their policy meeting in about 2 weeks to help determine how big of a rate increase they will do, whether it's a 25 basis point hike versus a 50 basis point hike. Separately, Fed Chair Powell has tested positive for COVID-19. He is said to be experiencing mild symptoms, is up to date on his COVID vaccines and booster shots, and is working from home. Back to you.